Buti ka, may experience ka na. Eh, paano tong mga papasok pa lang? Gusto mong ma-hire. Pero every time na may client na maghahanap ng introduction audio or video, biglang brain freeze ka na lang. Or worse, nakinig ka doon sa mga tao na nagsasabi sa social media na, pag merong introduction na video, wala, pass na ako dyan. Sila, may experience na sila. They have proof that they can do it. Eh, paano ka? Kaya don't just listen to what you see on social media. Not everything that you see on social media is right. You have to be able to think, ganyan din ang hinahanap ng clients. But don't worry, tuturuan kitang gumawa ng killer intro pitch that actually gets you noticed even without experience. Hi, my name is Mary and I help aspiring freelancers na mag-level up sa freelancing world. And in this video, pag-uusapan natin how to make professional and confident introduction audio or video pitch. Yung tipong, wow, mahahire ako neto. Ganun agad yung reaction mo or sasabihin ka ganing client, I like this person. Ganon. Now, let's talk about the main content first. When you do your introduction audio or your video, you have to first know your goal. So, before ka mag-record, isipin mo muna like ano yung gusto mong maramdaman ng client after panoorin yung video introduction mo. Makinig ka sa akin, Diyos ko, ang dami ko nang na-create talaga na video introduction. Ngayon, pag pinapanood ko, sumasabog yung brain cells ko like, what the hell was I thinking? So, ngayon, pagka magagawa ako, ang una kong iniisip, ano ba yung gusto kong maramdaman nila? Gusto mo bang makita nila na confident ka, reliable ka, friendly ka? Kasi kung hindi malinaw ang goal mo, parang nag-TikTok ka na walang topic, like nakakahiya pero walang sense. Your next step is to write your script. Keep it short, 30 to 60 seconds lang. And you can even, yung sinabi ko sa inyo when it comes to creating your elevator pitch, who you are, what you do, what makes you different, and then your call to action. You can even say, hi, I'm Mary. I'm a virtual assistant specializing in social media and admin support. I've helped clients organize their business and grow their brand online. I'd love to bring the same results to your team. Mga ganun ang atake. And you can even personalize it. Again, marunong ka na gumamit ng ChatGPT. Simple, walang English nosebleed, I'm very hardworking and dedicated individual since gusto ko patawarin. Next, I want you to record with confidence. Hindi mo kailangan ng mahal na mic. Kahit earphones, basta clear at walang ingay sa background, okay na. I highly recommend you use Crisp and you use your computer. Or pumunta ka sa room na walang ibang tao. Mag-smile ka habang nagsasalita. Kahit audio recording lang yun tapos hindi ka nila naririnig. Kasi naririnig ng client mo yung energy mo. Kung video pitch naman, natural lighting at clean background lang. Canva is key. Huwag basang-basa sa script. Parang nagkukwento ka lang sa friend mo. I'm not even sure if you guys know this, but I am actually reading from a script right now. But practice makes a whole lot of difference. That is actually your next step. Practice and don't panic. Paulit-ulit mo lang na i-record hanggang maging comfortable ka na. Kasi yung first try mo, delete, second, medyo okay, third, boom. Confident ka na. The more you practice, mas nagiging authentic yung delivery mo. And then last, add a call to action. Huwag mong kalimutan na sabihin kung ano yung gusto mong gawin ni client na next. Example, if you think I am a good fit, I'd love to discuss how I can help your business. Are you available to hop on a quick call with me today or tomorrow? Alam mo yung confident pero hindi arrogant. Professional pero may personality. Now, question. Kung gagawa ka ng introduction pitch ngayon, anong gusto mong first impression ng client sa'yo? Do you want it friendly? Do you want it confident, professional? I-comment nyo nga dyan sa comment section. Now, for my mentees, I want you to step 1, print your experience list. Ilagay mo sa ChatGPT. Lagyan mo lang ng simple prompt. Sabihin mo, I am creating a video introduction. Create a script for me. I want it to sound friendly or confident kung ano yung gusto mong maging result. And I want you to record your very first, kung hindi man first, edi second or third, kung pang ilan mo man to. But I want you to record your video introduction. Once you are done, upload it to your application book because later on, I will show you kung paano nyo siyang isasubmit sa akin. Now, for everyone else na makakapanood nito, if gusto nyong matuto pa ng mga virtual assistants or freelancing tips that actually work, make sure to hit subscribe and join our freelancing community. Let's grow together. So that's it. Your guide to creating a killer introduction audio or video pitch. Next time, pag may agency or client na humingi ng sample, ready ka na. And again, towards the end of the series, I'm going to teach you how to build your VA portfolio from scratch. So make sure na nakasubscribe kayo. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis, and I'll see you sa next vlog. Bye!